Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to turn on or off your Snapchat location in Snapchat app. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open up our Snapchat app first. You can see the Bitmoji on the top left corner of your phone with your avatar. Tap on there, and after that, you can see the settings option over here on the top right corner of your phone, which is a gear icon. I repeat, on the top right corner of your phone, just tap there. And after that, this is your settings of your Snapchat. And now you won't see the location right away, but now in order to see your location, you need to scroll a little bit down. And you can see the see my location option over here under the category who can. Tap on the see my location, and after that you can see the ghost mode enabled, which means that nobody can see your location currently. And if you turn it off, or if you tap on the toggle icon beside the option of ghost mode, then it turns to gray, and then it will show you these options. You can see turn off ghost mode and choose who can see your location. You can choose my friends, which means all of your friends, and you can also choose on some of your friends except, and you can also choose only these friends, which means that you can enable my location or show your location to only the person whom you want to. So for me, I'll be doing my friends, and let's do this. And after that, you can see the save option over here. I will be showing my location to only 2 of them, so let's save it. This is how you can choose to show your location or not in Snapchat app, and it's this easy. And if you have any questions or comments regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.